Hey there! Are you ready to solve these pesky loading issues with your favorite food delivery app? Today we'll dive into how to fix DoorDash not loading and get your next meal on your doorstep without a hit. Whether you're craving some hot pizza or a fresh salad, we know that app trouble shouldn't stand in the way of satisfying your hunger. In this guide, we'll walk you through several practical steps to troubleshoot and resolve any loading issues you may experience with DoorDash. Let's jump in and get it up and running again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. An unstable or weak Wi-Fi signal might cause the app to have trouble loading, leading to frustration. Switch connections. Consider switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and see if that resolves the issue. Restart router. If you're using Wi-Fi, a quick router restart can often fix minor connectivity problems. Check data restriction. Ensure that DoorDash has permission to use data in your device settings and that there are no data restrictions in place. Step 2. Update the DoorDash app. Outdated versions of the DoorDash app may contain bugs that affect performance, including loading issues. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. App updates. Head to your app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and check if there's an update available. Download and install any updates before trying again. Reinstall app. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. This can sometimes clear up any persistent issues by starting fresh. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Sometimes excess data stored by apps can cause them to slow down or malfunction. Clearing cache and data can give the app a clean slate. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, you cannot clear app cache directly, but uninstalling and reinstalling the app will perform the same function. Step 4. Check DoorDash server status. On some occasions, the issue might not be with your device, but on DoorDash's end. Down Detector. Visit websites like Down Detector to check if other users are experiencing similar issues. Sometimes waiting for DoorDash to resolve server issues is all you can do. Social media updates. DoorDash's social media channels might have real-time updates about ongoing issues or maintenance. Step 5. Restart your device. When in doubt, turn it off and turn it on. A simple restart can resolve many unexplained technical issues. Power off. Turn off your smartphone, wait for a few seconds, and power it back on. This can help refresh system processes and resolve any temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the DoorDash not loading issue and return to enjoying your favorite meals with ease. From checking your internet connection to ensuring your app is up to date, each step is crucial in getting DoorDash back in action. Remember, persistent problems might require some patience if they're due to server issues, but with these tips, you'll resolve most common troubles quickly. Happy ordering, and may your future meals arrive swiftly.